Categorically, did you or did you not give the order to General Marbil?
No.
No. So, General Marbil, are you lying?
Sir, I'm not lying, but I just want to have the executive privilege po regarding this matter, this
Ay,
operational matter.
nandito na tayo eh. Executive privilege ka dyan.
Bakit naging executive privilege?
Kanina
bigla?
sinabi mo, PCTC ang nagbigay ng order. Ngayon, mag-executive privilege ka.
Kung sino-sino na tinuro mo.
That's why we didn't want to attend the last hearing because this is what we were expecting, ma'am. We didn't want to be bullied into a
No,
position.
we're not bullying you, sir.
Nobody's bullying.
We're not
I
bullying
think
you,
that
sir. We're not bullying you, sir.
you're trying to make people admit something that they will not admit.
Well,
And executive
no, we're
privilege is a
trying to
valid
derive
excuse
information.
not to answer any
Secretary
question.
President
Remulla.
Duterte is already at the Hague.
Tapos na
We're
ang boxing.
asking kung sino nagpadala doon sa kanya.
Sino
Yun ang
nag-order?
tanong
We're
natin.
trying to understand every step of
As
the
I said
way.
earlier, everything was cleared with the DOJ.
We are not